The disputes over colonial liberties and the powers of Parliament could only be resolved on the field of battle, either in victory for the British Crown and the reassertion of British authority in America, or in victory for the American rebels and the breaking of all colonial ties with the British Empire. The Second Continental Congress convened in Philadelphia in May 1775, with Peyton Randolph as its president. However, when Randolph was summoned back to Williamsburg to preside over the House of Burgesses, Jefferson was sent as his replacement and arrived in Philadelphia on the 11th of June. Now that hostilities had broken out, the Second Continental Congress became a permanent political body to coordinate the war effort among the United Colonies. A few days after Jefferson's arrival in Philadelphia, Congress approved the appointment of George Washington as Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army, following a proposal by the Boston lawyer John Adams.